Hello everyone, my name is Jayesh Wangde, second year MBA student of SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today's presentation is based on just in time. Uh, so we'll start the presentation. So if you see my first page is just in time shows the time. So we'll start the presentation just in time. A set of techniques to increase productivity, improve quality, and reduce the operations. JIT. JIT means it reflect JIT means just in time is highly coordinate processing system in which goods move through the system and services are performed just as they need what you want it, when you want it, and how much you want it. It's just we need for just in time method. Okay, we'll go for second slide. Origin of JIT. So from where JIT comes, so we'll just see my screen. So if you see, origin of just in time is from Japan, initially known as a Toyota production system. Taichi Ono is a father and oriental of JIT. If you see a Taichi Ono, there is an I have show you a photo also of Taichi On. Uh, devise a new system based on Emigrates West in just in time. We'll go on next second slide. So I'm showing here some examples, various examples companies who currently use a just-in-time method. So GM, if you see GM is General Motors, everyone knows every engineer have a dream to work in General Motors. If you see second is a Dell, so Dell is also work as per a just-in-time. Toyota is also working like that. Ford is also Harley Davidson. If you every younger person's dream is to drive Harley Davidson. So Harley Davidson also use the same things, means just in time method. We'll go for second slide. Objective of just in time. So JIT manufacturing tries to smooth the flow of materials from supplier to the customers, thereby increasing the speed of manufacturing process. The objective of JIT is to change the manufacturing systems and gradually rather than drastically. So first point is to be more responsive to customers, to have better communication among departments and suppliers, to be a more flexible, to achieve better quality, and to reduce the production cost. So these are objective of JIT, which helps us to increase profitability. So as usual, JIT is always helps to do cost cutting, and it's all cost cutting is used for us increase the profit. So we'll move for second slide. Advantage and disadvantage of JIT. So if you see, I have my screen. I have shown you advantages in left side and disadvantage on right side. So we'll start for reduce inventory. Reduce inventory is the first point of advantages. If we order the any inventory in just in time method, as per the just in time method, so we are use our inventory resources, means if we need a one factor for means 100 factor for 1 week production, so we can, if we ask for supplier to send the 100 units, then it's use up, it's save our inventory cost. So second one is improve quality. It's help to improve quality also, lower cost, reduce space requirements, increase productivity, better relationship with supplier, better use of human resources, greater flexibility, and more product variety. It's all are advantages of JIT. Now we are going for disadvantage. So there are very less disadvantage, but we have disadvantage also. So the we start. The reputation of the manufacturer is a place in hands of the supplier. Because I'm telling you the example of this. What happened sometime, we as just in time, and we are ordering the our raw material from the supplier as per our requirement. So sometime what happened, so if our supplier not giving us a raw material on time, so that time it's our production can be a delay, and we are unable to fulfill the need of customer on time. So second one is may be difficult to meet unexpected major increase in demand. Production may be stopped if supply is delayed. So all the factors I have already given you in my example. So we'll go on next slides. Comparison of GIT and traditional system. So how traditional system will work and GIT will work. So factor I am taking a inventory. So in tradition, if you see my screen, much is offset, forecast error, and late deliveries. But in GIT, if you see, so minimum necessary to operates. Okay, so we'll go for second one, deliveries. So in deliveries, if you see in traditional, deliveries are very few and very large. But in GIT, if you see, so many and smalls. So there are difference between tradition and GITs. Okay, lot sizes. So if you see in tradition, so its lot size is very large. But in GIT, if you see, so lot size is small. Setup and runs. So in tradition, if you see few and long runs setups, but in GIT, if you see many and short runs. Vendors. In vendors, in traditions, long term and relationship are unusual. But if you see in JITs, so in JITs we with vendor we have a relationship as per they are our partners. Okay, so in second another factor we have seen workers. In tradition factor necessary to do a work. So in traditional it's happen. In JIT we use our workers as an assets, and so it's automatically help us to reduce the cost, and we can enhance our profitability with JIT. So here we have finished the PPT. Thank you so much.